Mount Royal has just launched phase 2B.2 of its residential development. 46 stands with views of our golf course and surrounding farmlands. These stands are ideal for those who love golf and living in the countryside. Only a select few will enjoy the exclusivity of living on the golf course in Mount Royal. With a total of 100 golf course stands distributed between the various phases, this truly is an exclusive opportunity for those who join the Mount Royal family, while the golf course stands are still available. Contact us today and arrange a viewing with our expert sales team. Mount Royal is a residential estate that, when completed, will be home to 726 happy families living in a golf and country estate. With breathtaking views of Table Mountain and the surrounding Malmesbury farmlands, Mount Royal offers nothing but the best in countryside living. The estate is being developed in 3 phases. Phase 1, consisting of 303 stands and have already been sold out. Phase 2, consisting of 199 stands and is divided into the following sections. Phase 2A, 39 stands of which 100% have been sold out. Phase 2B.1, 34 stands of which 80% has been sold out. Phase 2B.2, 46 stands. Developed and launching now. Phase 2C, 80 stands. An eco-village that will only be available in 2026. Phase 3, 224 stands. Will only be available in 2027. Contact us today and arrange a viewing with our expert sales team.